If the only thing you bring to your workplace is treating patients, then I hate to break it to you, you are replaceable. This is because anyone can treat back pain. Physios, physio assistants, GPs, even the patients themselves can YouTube their symptoms. What sets you apart is your ability to improve the system. That is where the MAIC comes in. That is DMAIC. Hey guys, my name is Adibola Badru, a Green Belt Lean Six Sigma practitioner, a specialist MSK clinician, and mentor to healthcare professionals across the UK and Africa. Today, I want to show you how you can use a simple tool from Lean Six Sigma called the MAIC to stand out in your NHS, improve workplace, and write better supporting information. Moving on, Lean Six Sigma is a process improvement method that helps organizations work more efficiently to reduce waste, improve patient outcomes, and it's used everywhere: hospitals, tech, manufacturing, airlines, and yes, it can even be used in your clinics. If you're applying for an NHS job, one of the key things they look for in your supporting information is how have you improved the services in your current or previous role, and that is called service improvement. And it is not just optional, it is in nearly every person specification provided by the NHS for job application. It is in interview questions as well. It is what makes you stand out, and it is a framework used to improve services wherever you may find yourself. The MAIC is D, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Let's start with D, define. This is basically asking what exactly is not working. Is it poor patient flow, delayed handover, or no patient numbers? Get clear on the problem first. If there's no problem, you cannot create a solution to it. It should be simple, specific, and defined. The next thing you want to do is you want to measure. M, measure the current process. Gather the data and understand what is going on. Don't change anything. It's the data as is. How long are the delays? How many patients are affected? What is the average wait time? This gives you a baseline of the problem, so you know if you are making a difference later on. Next, you analyze. You analyze the root cause of the problem by asking questions. Why is this happening? Is it understaffing? Is it poor communication? Workflow issues? You are not guessing. You are analyzing the data, plotting graphs, doing audits, whatever. You are diagnosing the system, basically the same way you diagnose a patient. And once you've done that, the next is I, that is improve. So you try to improve the process. You design a test solution. Maybe you coordinate cleaning times, you tweak schedules, you improve team communication. Whatever the cause of the problem is, you find a solution for that problem and you make change. Track the outcome and see if things improve. Finally, you want to bring in C, control, which is you want to put in measures in place to ensure that the system doesn't fall back to the old way. Because if that happens, your improvement was never real. Now you can use check-ins, audit reminders, whatever it takes to keep things running smoothly. You can put in paperwork or to-do list or things that people can go back and look at. This is what the NHS recruiters want to see on your supporting information. Not just that you treated patients, but that you made clinic better, that you made your services more efficient. And this doesn't just apply to the NHS information, even on your CV and cover letters. Rather than say you treated 50 patients, 20 patients, tell them the things you did to improve the services. So next time you are writing a supporting information, a cover letter, whatever, think about this. Talk about how you use the MAIC, show them how you can think like a leader, and show them you can improve the systems. You are not just here to take instructions, you are here to make an impact. If you found what I've just said helpful and you want to learn more about how to stand out in your career, join my mentorship program where I go deep into tools like the MAIC and more. And takeaway from this is remember that it's not just what you do for patients, it is what you do for the system. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.